Hi guys, welcome back to Organized with Deb. Today's video is actually going to be my first Q&A with you guys. I know I haven't really sat down and talked to you guys. I'm such an introvert that it's so hard for me to sit down in front of the camera, but I do love sharing inspiration and motivation with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So what I did was just research new YouTuber questions. So I'm gonna answer those questions, and then I'm also gonna talk a little bit about some things that I have coming up for this month and next month. So the first question is, what is your name? So I know a lot of people know me by Organized with Eb, but my actual name is Ebony. In school, I always went by Eb, and I just took the Eb, and with this channel being mostly about organizations, that's how I came up with Organized with Eb. Where am I from? I am in North Carolina. I'm right in the middle of North Carolina. A lot of people know North Carolina based off of Charlotte and Raleigh. So I'm about an hour and a half from both of those large towns that are within North Carolina. How old am I? So I'm 28 years old. My birthday is January 11th. So I will be 29. So much closer to 30 that I'm definitely not looking forward to, but hey, you gotta count your blessings. How many siblings do I have? I actually have one sister. Her name is Jasmine. You can also look her up on Instagram. She is a size influencer. She's also pretty big on TikTok, and you can look her up at JB Hart. You can find her on Instagram, like I said, TikTok, and then she also has a Facebook as well. What are my hobbies? You guys guessed it. My hobbies is organizing, any type of cleaning. I definitely enjoy organizing more than cleaning, just because I love the before and after of tackling a project when it comes to organization. But I definitely do a lot of cleaning videos on this channel more than organization, just because once you organize a space, I try to sustain that space and keep it organized. So it's sort of hard for me to do organization videos, but I definitely try my best. Once something becomes a mess or comes cluttered, I always try to tackle that by doing my organization process, and I always share it here on my channel. The next question is this your first channel? Yes, this is my first channel. I started this channel last June, so it was a year in June. I was definitely off and on due to family situations, of course, not knowing if this was a career path for me. So I actually work a full-time job, so I'm doing YouTube on the side, but I definitely enjoy it for sure. Depending on my schedule for work that week, usually I'll try to post every Wednesday and Sunday. I'm definitely going to try to change up my days, just because I'm trying to figure out this YouTube algorithm that I've been studying. But so yeah. So the next question is, why did I start a YouTube channel? The main reason I started this channel is to inspire others and to help others understand how important simple living is. Organization and cleaning, yes, can be very tedious, but if you put it into your routine, you will definitely see the benefits that organization and cleaning can give to your life. Like, some people think, oh, just cleaning and organizing, what is that? Why do I need to do that every day? That's so overwhelming. A lot of people feel that organizing is such a tedious job, but whenever you take simple steps to take a space and just to recreate it, declutter, reorganize it, it'll definitely help you with taking those small pieces of anxiety that you have in your head of things to get done. That itself is so rewarding. Like, if you just take one small space a day, and if you just take it and just do 3 simple steps of decluttering, organizing, and cleaning, that will make such a huge difference in your life. Like, y'all, I'm trying to tell you, organizing and cleaning are so important for your day-to-day life. And another reason why I speak so highly of minimalism, like, I am not an extreme minimalist by any means, but if you just take the small pieces of minimalism and take away things out of your life, decluttering things out of your life, you'll make room for so much more. And then also, if you struggle with anxiety and struggle with getting that to-do list done, when you declutter certain spaces, you make more room. So I try to inspire anyone outside of YouTube. Like, this is just something that I found a huge passion for, to help people understand. Like, if you know that you have 30 linen blankets in your linen closet, it's gonna take, you're gonna look at all 30 of them and try to decide which one you want to use. If you have 3 linen blankets in your closet and you need to just choose one, you will only have to decide out of the 3. So that's just an example of why it's so important. Like, minimalism is so important, and I try to, on this channel as well as my Instagram, I try to show the benefits of living simple. So the next one is 3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel. So 1, to understand the benefits of simple living and minimalism. 2 is if you love organizing but just don't know where to start, or you like the way organization looks but you just don't know where to start, I will walk you through step by step how to do that. I feel like sometimes you see like hoarders or something like that, and you just see the tedious job that comes behind organizing a space, and it's definitely not like that. It's definitely 3 simple steps that I always talk about, which is decluttering, reorganizing, and cleaning. And I always go through those 3 steps whenever I'm organizing. So if you want any type of organization motivation, I've already posted quite a few organization videos that walk you through those 3 steps. And you can always DM me or message me if you have any additional questions. And I have some exciting news that I'm going to talk about at the end as well in regards to organization. If I could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? When it comes to looking at YouTube videos, I do look at a lot of different type of YouTubers. One of the ones that inspired me to make my own channel was Till Vacuum Do Us Part. And she is a channel all about cleaning. She does do organization and budget-friendly DIYs. But I mainly looked at her for cleaning motivation. And then I also look at Loving Life as Megan. She does a lot of DIYs as well on a budget. She's definitely remodeling her whole house, and I definitely enjoy watching her YouTube videos for inspiration, and I'll put them down in the description box below. So 3 things that you should know about me. I have a 3-year-old little girl. Her name is Eleni. She's definitely a bundle of joy, very energetic, very happy all the time. She definitely keeps us on our toes. And 2 would be, I do live here with my partner. So we have been together for 7 years. So this is our little family that we share with you guys. I don't talk about them much, but if you definitely want me to incorporate them into my videos, I definitely could. We could do vlogs and things like that of our day-to-day life. We definitely stay busy with Eleni. She does gymnastics and dance and pageants, but I definitely could take you guys along on some of those adventures if you're interested in things like that. But yeah, just definitely let me know in the comments below. The 3rd thing is that I'm branding my company called Simply Neat CO, and that company is going to be all things organization. So it's included within this YouTube channel, but I also are creating an ebook that will be launching next month. I'm also creating a website that you guys will be able to go to and see all of my platforms, my social media platforms, along with things that I'll be selling. And another thing that I'm super excited to talk to you guys about is I will be soon selling my microfiber cloths. You guys always talk about my cloths and where I get them at. I have created my own, and I definitely want to do a giveaway with those and get you guys' feedback. But you'll definitely love those, and those will be launching hopefully November or December time frame. And I'll definitely do an announcement, like as far as a YouTube video, whenever those do come out. So I totally forgot to close you guys out, but I want to thank you guys for watching this Q&A video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like getting to know me, and I'll definitely share more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the